Manipur today observed the 26th Players' Day Sanarishing Numit at Indoor Stadium Kumalampak Sports Complex, commemorating the state's historic achievement of emerging overall champions in the 5th National Games in 1999, where it won the prestigious Raja Bhalendra Singh Trophy. In the 1999 Games, Manipur secured 29 gold, 24 silver and 39 bronze medals, taking its total tally to 112 medals. Today's observance was organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Govindas Konthojam lauded the excellence of Manipuri sportspersons who continue to excel at national and international levels. He urged for collective responsibility for the growth of sports in the state. The minister also announced that an MOU, a Memorandum of Understanding, will be signed within a week for setting up a sports science center in Manipur, and further informed that a proposal has been submitted for developing sports digital infrastructure to help identify and nurture young sporting talent. Wangkai MLA T.H. Arun Kumar, YAS Secretary, and Praveen Director Dr. M. Vito, Manipur Olympic Association President Sunil Ilangbam, Olympian N. Kunjarani, and other prominent personalities from the sports fraternity attended the event.
Akhoi Manipur da sana khona badang sakhulakpagi matungina equipment sing science asi yaudaba yadaba science asi yaudaba yadabanina sports science center ama within a week akhoi MOU sign tawbiragani haibasina mukhena ai tung dharoliba sanaroi kayada achauba inot ama pibiduna vigyan gi matengna amukhena akhoi si excellence atopa masana kayada koi singhalakpang ngangani haibagi asetpa adubusu ehana mayamda thamjari adudunate donor ministry da huji akoi proposal amasu lairi sports digital infrastructure ki masina akoi ngasai players sing scouting tawba pigli ba ngang sing sida matau karam masana na paknagani haibasi atop developed countries sing sida di sahi taraga mangagi mamangdagi scouting tawba hogi badugumna akoi manipur da so ahan loina tawnana bagi adugumba thorang ama akoi donor ministry da Honorable Chief Minister Gatana Jare Harga to Gumatam implement Tamunaba, a Jagani.